Sara Malbes, your today's host. And we're gonna pick one pair and ask them a basic question about our history here in our country, Philippines, or here in our municipality, Candelaria. So, tara sa po. One pair.
Pwede po kaya.
Our country, Philippines. So the person who first answer 3 right questions will be the winner and will win some prize. The question is basic, so you just need to be fast to answer the question. So ano lang po, taas po ng kamay ang ang gusto sumagot or yung maunang. Ako, paunahan po kayong dalawa. So ang una pong question is, what's the full name of national hero in the Philippines? Full name po ng national hero natin.
Bahala ka na dyan.
Jose Protasio Mercado y Alonso Riolanda.
Okay po, 1 point po kay natin. Ang pangalawa po ay a sweet steam rice cake that originated in the Philippines. A sweet steam rice cake. Sweet steam rice cake that originated in the Philippines.
Ang lugar.
Start with me.
B. Bulacan.
Pico.
Happy Pampanga. Charot. Kala ko lugar. ulit.
A sweet steam rice cake that originated. Akala ko.
Akala ko sa nag-originate.
Who is the mayor in our municipality, Candelaria?
Si George Suayan.
2 points po. What is the important event we celebrate yearly on August 5?
Quezon Festival. Charot.
Malapit na po na.
Niyog-niyogan. Charot. Ano yun? Hindi naman ako Katoliko eh.
Pwedeng blue?
Ano po? Si po nagsisimula.
Si.
Andalawan. Charot.
Malapit na ulit!
Candle Festival.
Hindi pa, malapit na doon.
Uy, hindi ako Katoliko.
Candelaria is known for their famous product known as Romanat. Oh, nag-tie! Yung number 4 na lang po. Nasabi ko na yung sagot na lang for 5. What is the important?
Ay, di Coconut Festival.
Malapit yung una ko na sinabi. Yung una ko po sinabi. Or na sinabi ko sinabi. Ulit. Yung question number 4 pa. What is the important event to celebrate yearly on August 5?
Wala akong idea.
Katanungan na number 5.
Candelaria is known for their famous product known as coconut. Sabi ko lahat eh, number 5! Coconut Festival!
Candle Festival, Candelawan.
Ano po yung sinabi? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko din mag-get.
Ano po? What is the important event we celebrate yearly on August 5?
Wait lang. Ano nga yun? Candelaria. Candelaria Day?
Panalo si Kuya! Panalo na. So, ang nanalo po is si Kuya. And may prize tayo. Different na.
pera po.